Hello, this is Julia Tian, and I'd like to show you a quick tip for organizing your discussion boards. They'll make it easier for your students and you to follow the discussions in a more organized way, and it'll also make it very easy for you to do the grading each week. So first I want to start by clicking on the modules, and then I'm going to page down to show you the differences between my Module 1 and Module 2. So here's Module 1. As you can tell, the discussion topics were not well organized. They were separate grading, and it was a nightmare to try and grade. So I asked Julia Kiter, one of our instructional effectiveness specialists, if she had any recommendations. And this is how she recommended that I organize my discussion boards. First, here's the engagement assignment worth 30 points. And then I added a new discussion graded at 0 points for each new topic. They're indented to fall within the engagement 2 area. So here's Module 3, and I'll show you how I do this by adding an assignment. So I'm going to click on Add, and I want to add discussion. I'm going to put in new topic name, and I'm going to start with M3 because it's under Module 3 for discussion. And I'm just going to do new topic just so you can see it easier. And I'm going to choose Indent 1 level and add. Now you notice it's not yet published, so we can still edit it. I'm going to move it up above the ethical leadership research paper, and I'm going to click here so we can edit this new topic. So here's where you can put a different subject if you like. Here's where you enter your text to start a new discussion or post an activity or whatever it is that you're going to do. And then page down to options, and I click on allow threaded replies, and I want it to be graded. Now here's the trick. It's graded, but it's only worth 0 points. So what I'm going to do, so it doesn't make the student more confused or upset to see a 0, I'm going to say it's going to display as complete and complete. And I'll show you what this looks like in just a second. And I'm going to click Save and Publish. And when I go back to Modules, Module 3, you see New Topic. It's published for 0 points. Let me show you how this looks in the gradebook. I'm going to go to Grades. And it'll be at the very end because it is a new topic, a new entry. And you can easily click and slide and move it to wherever you'd like it to be. And I like it to be in line with the other discussions for Module 3, so you see it here. Here's where I created one, just like the new topic, I created it the same way. You can see the check marks. Those I've already gone in and said to the student that it is complete. So I'll show you how this works to grade. So I want to look at the speed grader because that's where it will show the posts for that week. Here she has answered my question. So I'm going to go in and mark complete. I can add a comment here and click submit. And so when I go back to the discussion board, or excuse me, the grade book, you will see that she now has a check mark that she completed that assignment. So as I'm going through all the different topics we discussed during Module 3, I'll be able to see if the student actually completed that engagement activity or did not. And that'll help me when grading this engagement 3 total. Here's what it looks like for engagement 2. You can go ahead and see the X's are for students that didn't complete or didn't post within that discussion topic, or check marks next to those that did. So I hope that helps you organize your discussion boards and gives you a new way to make your life a little easier when it comes to grading engagement. Thanks and have a great day.